Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jessica
and I'm Jennifer,
and today we're going to show you guys how to make the growth oil mix. From our previous video, I don't know if you guys watched it, but almost everyone watched it, and it has just 100,000 views within a week, which is insane. We just want to thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys so much.
You guys loved this video and you guys asked so many questions, which we're going to get to, but more than anything, we're going to get to the measurements and how to make the growth oil mix.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. we're going to get to the questions that you guys actually asked us. One of the most frequently asked questions from you guys was, where can you get the oils? Do we make the oils? And yes, we do make the oils. And we have actually responded to some of your emails, but we got a ton of emails. And we're still sieving through and we're still getting to everyone's emails. So apologies if we've not yet answered your email. But yes, we do make the oils. And some people also complained about the shipping price. If you guys know, we are based in Nigeria, so we do international shipping whenever we send the oils to the US, and we're really trying to work on getting a lower shipping price so that it's not too expensive to send the oils to you guys. So we're going to get to everyone's emails. Please bear with us. Yeah. So the next popular question is, how often should you apply the growth oil? I would say typically every 2 to 3 days, but we actually apply it every 2 days. So we usually take about 5 to 10 drops and massage it directly into our scalp, and we give ourselves a thorough scalp massage. It allows it to penetrate into your scalp and work its magic to stimulate growth. We also use the oil for our moisturize and seal, like to seal our ends after moisturizing our hair. We also use it in hot oil treatments. And also you could put a few drops into your deep conditioner or your shampoo before you actually treat your hair. Yeah. And I wanted to say, you guys, this oil is key if you want to get rid of dandruff. I have a sister that has natural hair. I also have a sister with relaxed hair, and they've tried this oil and they really got rid of dandruff. I always used to struggle with dandruff, and I don't know whether it's the antibacterial properties from peppermint oil or whatever it is, but this has really gotten rid of my dandruff. I use this to do hot oil treatments, and it clears any dandruff or scalp issues. Another frequently asked question is, how do we know that these oils are authentic? I know there's always like a debate, especially with essential oils. Are they authentic or not? You really do not know, because a lot of people sell counterfeit essential oils, and we have tried and tested. Guys, we've been using this growth oil for I think almost 2 years, and we've tweaked and we've tried and tested several essential oils, so we know which ones are authentic now. We get our essential oils here in Africa. They are locally made, but we can attest to that they are 100% authentic. And over time, you will get used to the texture, the density, the smell, and you'll be able to know which one is authentic or not. Which one isn't. And one thing I'll say for essential oils is, if it is cheap, it probably is not authentic. Guys, don't try and go on the cheap route for essential oils. They're most likely a little bit more expensive even than your carrier oils. You actually have to put out the money to get 100% authentic essential oils. So brands like Now, I think that's an American brand, are known for doing 100% authentic essential oils. And we have some other suggestions. We'll actually leave them down in the links below that you could check out. They're also known for doing carrier oils. Like, they're one of the best brands for oils. But the thing is that we always have to get it from Amazon and wait for it to be shipped. But if you are in America, I'm pretty sure it's easily accessible. You can find it in Amazon or wherever. So the next popular question is, where did we get our applicator bottle? And these bottles are actually common, which is why I was surprised. So you can actually get them from your local beauty supply store, or you could get it on Amazon or Alibaba. Now Alibaba has a ton of these bottles, and you could actually get it mass produced. You could get it as a bulk order where you could have almost like 100, and you could get the ones that have measurements on them. You could get the ones that are plain, but they have a vast variety of applicator bottles. So just go on there and find out which one works for you. So another question that we got is, what oil can you substitute for coconut oil? A lot of people complained about coconut oil. Maybe it's not good for your scalp, it irritates your scalp or whatever the case may be. But I think one of our subscribers commented that you can actually try grapeseed oil, which can be a really good substitute. And we know that you can also try avocado oil. So if you actually want to swap out coconut oil for any of these two, I think you can. So the next question that we got a lot of was about MSM, and I found that a ton of people didn't know anything about MSM. So we're actually going to do a video in the future all about MSM, its benefits, and how you could use it. So the full meaning of MSM is actually a mouthful. I'll just put it on the screen. We'll just put it on the screen. Yes. You can get MSM from your local pharmacy or drugstore, and a lot of people were saying they couldn't find it in the US, which I'm surprised, because we're actually using a US brand, and this one is called Puritan's Pride. So this is the MSM that we're using. I'm going to leave the link down below with the name, probably a link to Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon as well as in your pharmacies. Okay, so MSM is basically a supplement known for treating like muscle and joint pains, but in the process they found that it actually helps increase the hair strands on the body. Like we said, this test was done on mice, and also tests have been done where people have just said they've generally noticed that it increased keratin, which is a protein that boosts hair growth and also your nail and skin health. So MSM actually comes in forms of capsules or a powder, and we prefer the powder form. With the powder form, you could infuse it into your hair oil like we do. You could infuse your dosage into your deep condition treatment, or you could take it orally in a smoothie or even your orange juice in the morning, but it still does the same job. So when you actually take it in powder form, it appears to look like little white crystals. So if you put it into your growth oil mix, you actually see it settle at the bottom, so don't be weirded out about that. It actually doesn't really dissolve, it kind of settles at the bottom. You can actually have it in your smoothies as well, and you also see that it's just like white powder, white crystals. And another thing is that it is suggested that you take MSM alongside vitamin C. This was brought up by a few of our subscribers, and it actually is true, because like we said, MSM has its little side effects where it leads to headaches, and if you take a high dosage of it or you don't take it alongside vitamin C and it just doesn't sit well with you, you may experience headaches. So we do advise that you take it alongside with vitamin C and also stick to the dosage, which is like 3/4 of a teaspoon. But in general, MSM really boosts your immune system, and I've actually heard rumors that it actually is a cancer fighting supplement. So we don't know much about that, but MSM is actually a really good supplement. Yes. So guys, those are your frequently asked questions. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and we hope this video was able to answer all your questions and you guys were able to see how to make your own growth oil mix. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
For our new subscribers, welcome. Everybody that has joined us, thank you so much. Welcome to the family. We're going to be posting videos weekly, so also leave suggestions down below if you have any video suggestions you want us to film. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.